Magandang araw mga bata. So ngayon ay nasa Mathematics 5, Quarter 4, Week 4 na po tayo. Okay, class, ang ating MELC or Learning Competency, at the end of the lesson, you should be able to solve routine and non-routine problems involving volume of cube and a rectangular prism in a real-life situation using appropriate tools. Okay, bago tayo magpatuloy class, nais kong sagutan nyo muna ang ating drill. Directions: use the formula to find the volume, then complete the table. Meron tayong mga boxes dyan guys. Box A, B, C, D, and E. You have the length, the width, the height, and the volume. So, gamit yung formula na na-discuss natin last time class, you have to solve the problems. Okay? So, A has the length of 3 centimeters, width 2 centimeters, and the height is 1 centimeters. So, gawin nyo ngayon yan class, at yan ay ating chichikan sa Monday. Okay class, puntahan na natin ang ating subject or topic for today. Solve routine and non-routine problems involving the volume of a rectangular prism. We have problem number 1. Francine wants to know which box has a greater value. Let us help her by getting the volume of each box given their ages, length, width, and height. Okay, so the first box, that is a cube. So we have 6 centimeters one side and 6 centimeters the other side, and 6 centimeters also the other side. And with regards to the rectangular prism, so we have the length of 15 centimeters, width is equals to 4 centimeters, and the height is equals to 3 centimeters. So using the formula class, you solve the problem number 1. Meron tayong 4 na steps of Polias in problem solving, or ways how to solve a problem. First step is we have to understand, know what is asked. The second is plan. We have to determine the operation to be used and write the number sentence. So pangatlo, we have to solve the number sentence and write the complete solution. And number 4, we have to look back, write and state the final answer. Okay, so yan yung 4 na paraan class upang masolve natin ang problem. So ang tawag natin dyan ay 4 steps of Polias in problem solving. So again, Francine wants to know which box has a greater volume. Let us help her by getting the volume of each box given their ages, length, width, and height. So first, we have to understand what is asked. So next, what are the given? So box A, age is 6 centimeters, box B, 15 centimeters, width 4 centimeters, height 3 centimeters. So sa box A, so that is a cube, 3 sides that has the same measure. Next step is plan. So what operation is needed? So we have multiplication. What is the correct number sentence? So for box A, since it is a cube, we can get its volume by using the formula V is equals S times S times S, or V is equals S cube. V is equals to 6 centimeters times 6 centimeters times 6 centimeters. For box B, since it is a rectangular prism, We can get its volume by using the formula V is equals length times width times height. Volume is equals 15 times 4 centimeters times 3 centimeters. Okay, solve. Box A, V is equals S times S times S. V is equals 6 centimeters times 6 centimeters times 6 centimeters. V is equals 216 cubic centimeters. And for box B, volume is equals to length times width times height. Volume is equals to 15 centimeters times 4 centimeters times 3 centimeters. Volume is equals to 180 cubic centimeters. Okay, so we have problem number 2. And okay, let's analyze the problem, class. So mayroong 4 feet wide, 6 feet long, and 9 feet tall ang isang closet. At sa loob ng isang closet, class, mayroong box para sa mga lumang damit na ang kanyang size naman ay 3 feet wide, 4 feet long, and 3 feet tall. So huwag kayong malito dyan sa mga closet na yan, guys, sa mga cabinet na yan. So isang cabinet lang ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. So sa loob ng cabinet, mayroong box ng mga lumang damit na ang kanyang measurement ay 3 feet ang lapad, 4 feet ang haba, at 3 feet naman ang taas. So let's solve, class. Sagutan natin. Bibigay ko lang yung given, at sa inyong notebook, sagutan ninyo to sa notebook ninyo para matsikan natin kapag tayo ay may face to face na. Okay, class, ang operation na gamitin natin ay multiplication at saka subtraction. Volume closet minus volume box. So let us substitute. N is equals to 6 times 4 or 4 times 6 times height 9 minus 3 times 4 times 3 for the other for the box. So now we have 4 times 6 times 9 minus 3 times 4 times 3 equals n. 4 times 6 or 6 times 4 is equals 24 times 9, and 3 times 4 equals 12 times 3 equals n. So we have 24 times 9 equals 216, and to be minus by 12 times 3, which is 36. Okay, so 216 minus 36 by 12 times 3, which is 36. Now you find the answer, class. So with that, iiwan ko na sa inyo ang sagot, at yan ay ating sasagutan or ating itatama sa araw kung saan meron na tayong face to face. Okay, that is for today's lesson, class, and stay safe at have a good day. Bye bye.